You don't have to wear the same thing every day to eliminate decision fatigue. Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. We are starting the Self-Care Sunday Challenge this week. Sundays can be quite overwhelming. The Sunday scaries. Have you heard of them? I think we all have, or at least we've experienced what it feels like when that week ahead is just looming. You feel the Monday energy just dribbling into your Sunday. No, this is still my weekend. The problem is, you know that there are so many things that you need to do to get ready for the week ahead, but you also want to just take a beat and relax because you just worked all week, and 2 days just doesn't seem to be enough time. And if you're someone who works in retail or another field where weekends are a joke and they don't exist, I hear you. So I came up with the Self-Care Sunday Challenge. We are going to start a routine that we do every Sunday. The idea here is, instead of starting 10 new habits at once, we're going to break it down to the things that you actually need to do on a Sunday, and we're going to do them one at a time. So for this week, we are going to do one thing on Sunday to make it that much easier when we go into next week. So this Sunday, week 1, all I want you to do is choose your outfits for the next week. That's it. That's all you have to do to feel that much more prepared for the next week. And I'm not just talking about pick out a dress. No. Pick out your outfit. That is top, bottom, or dress with the sweater. Lay it out with the proper bra and underwear and socks and necklace and headband and everything. Whatever you're gonna wear, lay it out. Hang it on a hanger together. Hang it up in that closet. You're ready. If you really want to take it there, you can label it Monday or Tuesday or whichever day. You can put a little hang tag on it if that's what you really want to do. You want to be down to the sock what you're wearing. What do we spend the most time looking around for? Socks. Oh, this pair of socks doesn't go with this pair of shoes. It shows or it doesn't show or whatever. It's not the right look. And then you're running around and then you're late because you're looking for the right pair of socks. No, honey. We will not be doing that. If I decided that I wanted to wear this dress on Tuesday and I wanted to wear it with my specific black blazer. Oh no, my black blazer isn't clean. Or, oh, it's at the dry cleaners. I don't really dry clean anything. I don't buy things that are dry clean only. That's the secret. I will then know that ahead of time, instead of waking up on Tuesday thinking that I am going to wear this dress with this specific outfit that I have planned in my head. Oh no, my blazer isn't even here, or my blazer is in the dirty bin, so I can't wear that. And then I have to change the whole outfit, do a bunch more decision making early in the morning when I'm already like, ugh. We're not doing that. Swear to you, this is going to make your life so much easier. You do not have to wear the same thing every single day like a Mark Zuckerberg to eliminate decision fatigue. You can wear different clothes and have fun with your clothing. Instead of choosing your outfit the night before every single night, do it for the week. I swear it only takes 10 minutes because you're already in that mindset and you go, okay, this with that, and this with that, and this with that. Hang it up, grab all the socks, make sure the shoes are lined up. But if you do it every single night, it's gonna take you 10 minutes every night because you have to get back into that mindset and then go, oh no, it's the night before and I don't have that thing clean that I need. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna do a load of laundry at 10 o'clock at night? No, you are not. This gives you the chance to plan for the weather, plan if you need to wash certain things. That's it, that's all you have to do. Pause this video right now or continue on to the next video in the series. Stay tuned for my next video where we talk about the second thing that you should be doing on Sundays to make your week ahead that much better. That's it for this video, and until next time.
Stay hydrated, sis.
Stay hydrated, sis. Yeah. Body rolls that you can't see. Woo! I do this for my squad, I do this for my game. And it was all yellow.